Hi guys, welcome back. Today me and Bushwhacker Man are at the camp and we're going to be making some chicken kebabs, so stay tuned. So I've just lit the fire, simple method of birch bark and a lighter, and I'm just going to wait for the logs to go to coals. So in the meantime I'm going to cut up my ingredients. So I've got my chicken for the chicken kebab. I've got some salami, chorizo stuff to chop up and put on. Got some cherry tomatoes, some green pepper and some shallots, and also some pita bread for us to put the kebab in, and some herb and spices and some teriyaki sauce. So just going to peel off the outside layer and put them on our skewers here. We've got some skewers, put them on their hull. I'm not going to cut these up. So this will be our dinner tonight. Right, I'm going to start off with the tomato, as they don't need a lot of heat when cooking, so I'll put that right at the end there. Second material, I'm going to go for a pepper. Bit of salami, shallot, nice and tight together, and then finish off with a bit of chicken. So that looks lovely, nice bit of colour there.
So what's next in the sequence?
I think it's pepper. No, it's tomato.
That looks nice.
This can be your one. And then we'll finish off with a bit of chicken.
We could go double chicken.
Do you want double chicken?
Yeah, shall we?
Yeah, I've got a lot of chicken in the bag. Right, so I'll squish that down a bit. So I'm just going to drizzle a bit of classic BBQ herbs and spices. Got a lot in there. So I'll put it on my plate and just sprinkle some over. So I'm going to put a bit of drizzle of teriyaki sauce on, just to top off that flavour. That's all the kebabs finished now. So that's 7 there, and they look lovely. So the fire's turned to coals and we're going to be cooking that. Got 2 bits of green wood. I'm going to lay either side of the fire to rest the kebab sticks on. So it's nice and hot, perfect heat for our kebabs. Right, I'm going to cut my 2 pita breads now for the kebabs to go in. There you go.
Thanks, Becky. Lovely. Very
Let's
nice.
have a look at that. Great. Go.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's lovely.
Good or not? Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made the kebabs. They were so good, really tasty, and we'll definitely be cooking them again, so give them a try. They're really nice. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.